And we turn our attention to judicial matters. The Sharia Court of Appeal, Gudu, has adjourned until October 28 for hearing on applications on the custody of a child of the presidential candidate after YPP in the 2023 presidential election, Abdulmalik Ado Ibrahim and his ex-wife, Adama Indimi. A three-member panel of the court led by Grand Qadi Ibrahim Imam gave the adjournment after parties in the case were notified of the application and counter-application. Senior reporter Celestina Area reports.
The divorce between the two parties was formalized at the Upper Area Court Gudu, which issued a valid divorce certificate. At the time of the separation, they had a child of age above 1. Following this, counsel to Adama Indimi, Muhammad Ali, filed a complaint at the Upper Area Court Gudu seeking full custody of the child for the mother. She further asked for a monthly maintenance fee to be paid by the father, covering feeding, clothing and social amenities. The defense counsel Darlington, however, conceded custody to the mother and the court entered a partial judgment accordingly. However, while Ms. Indimi initially requested $2,000 monthly, the defendant offered 1 million naira monthly. Later, the defense sought to amend their counterclaim, which had originally proposed 1 million naira payment. Ms. Indimi then requested the court to compel the defendant's personal appearance to present his 6-month bank statement to prove financial capacity. The lower court granted the request. Not satisfied with the order of the lower court, the respondent filed an appeal at the Sharia Court of Appeal against the ruling that compelled his attendance with bank statement. At the resumed hearing of the appeal, counsel to Ibrahim Ado told the court that Ms. Indimi served them a counter-affidavit. He said they need time to study it and reply, and asked for a date. Responding, the respondent counsel Muhammad Ali told the court that regardless of when they were served, they filed within time. He added that this court is not a court of technicalities and nothing stops them from moving their pending application, and they will move theirs. After listening to both parties, the court led by Grand Qadi Ibrahim Imam adjourned until October 28 to hear both parties' application.
Just to ask the court actually compel the defendant to provide his bank statement and everything so that the court will ascertain his means and see whether he can cater for his own child in accordance to the requirement of Islamic personal law. Because under the Islamic personal law, it has to be based on the means of the father to take care of his own child.
Under the Islamic law, the custody of the child remains with the mother, while the father is financially responsible for the upbringing. This case, which is still pending before the Upper Area Court in Gudu, comes up on the 27th of October. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.